problem natin ngayon is y prime equal to e raised to quantity 2x minus y. Okay? So, integral natin siya. So, ngayon, unang-una, i-transform muna natin tong y prime into dy over dx equal to e raised to 2x minus y. Ayan. So, ngayon, papaganahin natin ang law of exponent. So, para hindi malito, explain ko muna ulit. Okay? So, x squared multiply by x cubed is equal to x raised to 5. So, anong nangyari? Dahil multiply sila, ang exponent nila is nag-add. Okay? So, yun yung gagawin natin dito. Okay? So, dy over dx, parang i-expand natin siya. Okay? So, since negative yan, negative y, ibig sabihin, instead na multiplication, division siya. Okay? So, e raised to 2x over e raised to y. Ayan. So, ngayon, ang equation na to is separable na. Pwede natin silang i-multiply both side by sa mga denominator. Okay. So, para matanggal yung mga denominator, e raised to y tsaka dx. Ayan. So, e raised to y dx multiply by dy over dx is equal to e raised to y dy. Okay? So, equals e raised to y dx multiply by e raised to 2x over e raised to y is equal to e 2x dx. Ayan. So, ngayon, pwede na natin silang i-integrate. Okay. So, integrate. So, anong matitira dito? E y over 1 equal to e 2x over 2 plus c. Okay? So, para mas maging pogi, multiply both sides by 2 para matanggal yung decimal. Para matanggal yung fraction dito. Okay? So, 2e y equal to e raised to 2x plus, instead na 2c, okay, sulat mo dito, let 2c equal to c. So, c na lang siya. Final answer.